How to create a free shipping voucher in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a free shipping voucher in Shopee. To create a Shopee voucher on the Shopee app, start by logging into your account. Once you're in, go to the Marketing Center. From there, select the option for vouchers and create a new voucher. You will then need to select the type of voucher you want to create, whether it's a shop voucher, product voucher, or live voucher. Once you've made your choice, fill in the voucher details, including the discount percentage, minimum spend, usage, quantity, and any other necessary information. Finally, click on the Publish button to complete the process. Keep track of how your voucher performs in terms of usage and its impact on sales. You may need to adjust your voucher strategy based on customer response and business goals. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.